It's raining. We're literally flooding over here at Hagerstown. I'm gonna stand. It's literally raining hard out here. I'm filming the rain. I had to shut that window. There was tons of rain coming in. It literally got all over my foot. Yeah. 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 What's today?
7/6.
Today's July 6th, 2022. Wednesday. I just got done uploading all my firework videos and stuff. Yeah. It's soggy. I got a soggy doggy. Yeah, y'all wet. Yeah. Aw, y'all wet. There's the... You got a doghouse to get into. Why don't you get in there? Yeah. You got dog houses to get in. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you got 2 dog houses, yet he'd rather whine and stand in the rain. You don't make sense, dog.
Somebody behind me.
Oh, yeah.
I'm serious, it sounds like somebody snapping the floor behind me.
Yeah. There's our neighbor Trent's house where Nicole used to live.
Her name was Psycho.
Yeah, Psycho.
She was weird.
Yeah.
Everybody's got a weird neighbor.
Yeah.
We got one on the corner still.
Yep.
Mr. Tinksy
Yeah. Yeah. Gonna eat some macaroni salad, tater tots, corn, and a cheeseburger. Oh yeah. On my dolphin plate from South Carolina. Oh, and some fried zucchini. Yeah, Parmesan zucchini. And there's my plate. It's from South Carolina. My sister April got that for me. We're watching Disneyland videos. They're doing fireworks from last night.
No, from Monday.
Monday. I meant Monday. Oh yeah.
About time.
Yeah, we've been waiting for a while. Well, I ain't gonna film it all. Goodbye for now.